Hello and good morning, students. This is Shrival sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter Profit and Loss, which is exercise 11A from the book R.S. Agarwal. And as of now, we have done some selected questions. So here in this video, I have chosen two very important questions, which are really very much useful and very much conceptual question from this particular exercise. So the two questions which I have chosen to solve, these are question number 17 and question number 21. So children, let us have a discussion on the question number 17 of exercise 11A, question number 17. Let us have a look. On selling an exhaust fan for rupees 7,350, the selling price of a fan is 7,350 rupees. A man gains 1/6 of its cost price. A man gains 1/6 of its cost price. Acha. Find the cost price of the fan. So man gains 1/6 of its cost price. Let the cost price, as I don't know, let us assume, let the cost price be equal to X. Children, I don't know by which amount the person had bought the product, bought the fan. That was what was that we don't know. That is why I have assumed the amount of cost price be rupees X. So in the question it is told that when the person is selling the product in 7,350 rupees, he actually gains 1/6 of the cost price. Children, what is the 1/6 of cost price? 1/6 of cost price means actually the amount is X by 6 rupees. The amount is X by 6 rupees. This is the amount of profit. Children, we need to understand each and every part very carefully. The selling price is mentioned in the book, that is 7,350. Cost price is unknown to us, that we have assumed X, but it is mentioned in the question that the amount of profit is 1/6 of cost price. So in order to get the amount of profit, we are calculating 1/6 of its cost price. So 1/6 of cost price means 1/6 into X, resulting X by 6 rupees. So children, we know the formula of calculation of calculating selling price very well. We know that cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. So we know this right from the beginning of this exercise, that cost, if we add the profit amount with the cost price, we are supposed to get the selling price. So children, what is the cost price? That we don't know. We have assumed X. Alright. The amount of profit that just now we have calculated, that is X by 6, which was 1/6 of the cost price. So naturally 1/6 of cost price, 1/6 of X will be X by 6, and selling price is 7,350 rupees. Okay children, so we can easily frame out this equation that X matlab cost price plus the profit, which is X by 6, is equal to 7,350 rupees. So let us get the LCM of it. 6 into X is 6X, plus 6 and 6 gone, divided, it will be 1 into X is 1X, is equal to 7,350. Okay children, now let us get the calculation from here. 6X plus 1X is 7X by 6 is equal to 7,350 rupees. We'll go for a cross multiplication. There is nothing means what? 1. 7X into 1 results 7X is equal to 6 into 7,350. Let it be like this only. I don't want to multiply because I want to reduce it afterwards. 7,350. Children, I having no space, so like I'm using this space over here. X will be kept. 7 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side, and that is going to be divided. 6 into 7,350 divided by 7. Okay children, 7 can be cancelled with this number. 7 ones are 7. 3 is not going, so I'll get a 0. 5 sevens are 35 and 0. 1050. So naturally x is equal to 6 into 1050 is 6300. So the value of x I'm getting 6300. So children, what does it mean? It means that the person had bought the fan from a shop. The cost price was 6300. This was the cost price of the fan, and he made a profit 1/6 of a cost price. He made a profit. So children, I got the value of x. Now, like, I got my answer. The value of x is 6300. So therefore, the cost price of the fan for the vendor was 6300. This is what our answer is all about. Now children, we are going to deal with one of the most conceptual question, and very much confusing, we could rather say. Let us have a look. Question number 21. Children, we need to understand the question carefully. We need to read the question carefully. Question number 21. By selling 36 oranges, a vendor suffers a loss equal to the selling price of 4 oranges. Okay, find the loss percent. A man is selling 36 oranges, and after selling 36 oranges, he has seen that he has made a loss of selling price of 4 oranges. Okay, let the cost price, as we don't know the cost price of 36 oranges, let us consider, let us assume the cost price of 36 oranges be rupees x. If 36 oranges cost price of 36 oranges is rupees x, then what is the cost price of 1 orange, children? X by 36. Yes or no? The buying price of 36 oranges is rupees x. So 1 will be x by 36. Chalo, theek hai. Now, children, the person has seen that this amount x is equal to the selling price of 40 oranges. Now question is, sir, from where you are getting 40? 36 oranges, and he's making loss of 4 oranges. So that means plus 4, matlab 40 oranges. If he sells 40 oranges, then only he can earn rupees x. He is buying 36 number of oranges in rupees x. But now, as he is making loss of 4 oranges on selling, so that means this rupees x only he can earn if he sells 40 oranges right now. Because 4 oranges will be he made a loss. So he's selling 4 oranges extra in order to earn rupees x. So selling price of 40 oranges is rupees x. So selling price of 1 orange is x by 40. Yes or no, children? So I got the cost price of 1 orange is x by 36, and selling price of 1 orange is x by 40. Of course, he is making loss. It is as it is mentioned in the question. What is the amount of loss? The amount of loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price was x by 36. Selling price is x by 40. If I make LCM of 36 and 40, I'm supposed to get 360. 36 and 40 LCM will be 360. Okay. So 360 divided by 36 is 10. 10 into x, 10x. 360 minus 4 divided by 40 is 9. 9 into x is 9x. So children, I'm having it is x by 360. This is the amount of loss. So children, how to find the percentage of loss? Percentage of loss is equal to loss by CP into 100. As we all know that every calculation, whether it's a profit or loss, it is always on cost price. So loss is of how much? Loss is of rupees x by 360. CP is x by 36 into 100. Let us free up this space a bit. Let us calculate x by 360 into, it will reciprocate 36 by x into 100. X will be cancelled. 36 into 36 divided, it's 10. 10 and 100 is getting 10. Answer is 10% loss. Children, I hope it's clear to everyone. The process is the loss amount x by 360. CP was x by 36 into 100 in order to get the amount percentage of loss, and the percentage of loss is coming 10%. Children, if you didn't understand this video or this sum, please do watch it, listen it again, drop your queries in the comment section, and if it's cleared, please try out these two sums, as these two sums are really very important, and please do submit your work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.